Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today we will learn our new lesson, and this lesson is all about the letter A. The letter A. Today we will learn about letter A. A sound. Do you know the letter A sound? Now open your mouth and say with me A. A sound like A. 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 A sound A. Now we will write the letter A. First we have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we write capital letter on these 4 lines. We will start from the top of these lines and draw a slanting line on the bottom. One more slanting line on the other side till the bottom, and then draw a slipping line between these 2 lines. This is our capital letter A. Capital letter A. A sound A. 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 Now we write small letter A. First we will start from the second line and draw a small standing line with small curve. Again we will go to the second line and draw a small curve and make a small A. Small letter A. This is small letter A. Now, do you know which things are start from the letter A? Yes. Have you seen this before? Yes, this is an airplane. An airplane. Well done. Okay. And this is an astronaut. 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 And this is an angel. Angel. Have you seen this before? This is very small. You know? What is this? Yes, ant. 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 And wow. Have you eaten this kind of fruit? Apple. 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 Again, we repeat this. A sound is like A. 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 Airplane. A. A. Angel. A. A. Astronaut. A. A. Apple. A. A. Ant. Now we start our new letter B. Letter B. B sound like B, B, B. B sound like B, B, B. We have 4 lines. We will start from the top of this line and draw a standing line. Go to the top again and draw a curve till the middle. Again draw a top touching the bottom. This is capital letter B. Now we write the small letter. We will start from the top and draw a standing line downwards till the bottom and draw a small curve touching the bottom like this. This is small letter B. B sound B, B, B. B, B, B. Now, do you know which things start from the letter B? Yes, you know what is this? It's butterfly. Yes, butterfly. Very beautiful. Butterfly is beautiful. Butterfly. Butterfly is beautiful. And what is this? Do you have this? Yes, I have this one. Balloons. 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 And what is this? Ball. Ball is small. Ball. Ball is small. Buttons. Yes. Yes. Buttons. Buttons are colorful. Okay, now close your eyes. And I have one more thing. Yes, do you know what is this? Open your eyes and tell me what is this? Baby. Baby. Well done. Okay, this letter is B. B sound like B. We will write this letter B on 3 lines. First 3 lines, okay? We will start from the top and draw a standing line. Then we will curve till the middle and one more curve till the bottom. Small b, we will draw a standing line till the bottom and draw a curve till the bottom. Good. Okay. Now we start our new lesson. This lesson is all about the letter C. Letter C. C sound like k. C sound like k. Now we write the letter C. Again, we will start from the top. First we have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this capital letter C we will write on first 3 lines. First we start from the top and draw a curve touching the bottom. Now we write the small letter C. Small letter C from the second line. From the second line and draw a curve till the bottom. This is capital letter C, mummy letter, and this is small letter C, baby letter. C sound like k. Okay, now we learn this vocabulary about letter C. Castle. 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 Yes, and do you know what is this? I have this one. Do you have? Yes. Coins. 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 And what is this? Your father have? Good. Camera. 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 Camera is, this is digital camera. Yes. And what is this? You know? Okay, tell me. Yes. Crab. Crab. Crab is sea animal. Crab. Crab is sea animal. Oh, this cat makes a cake. Cat is cat. Cat is very clever. Cat is clever. Yes. And what is this? Who made this? Cat. What is this? Cake. 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 Cake is yummy. Yes, very nice. Okay, repeat this. This is letter C. Letter C. Castle. Castle. Coins. Camera. Crab. Cake. Cat. And this is capital letter C and this is small letter C. Well done. Okay, Allah Hafiz.